Good afternoon. This is Dan Foster again here in Michigan. Yeah, I wish I had a cool tagline like Harvey. I could say, good afternoon, figaholic friends, but I can't. But we are all figaholics. Anyway, I've got my Smith fig here, which is ripening a whole bunch of figs on it. We had a lot of rain yesterday. I'm actually pretty surprised to see the Smith fig have so many ripe figs on it. In the past, this has been kind of a later fig for me, so I don't know why it's doing this year. I did put it in a bigger pot because it is such a special fig. I put it in a bigger pot, and maybe that has something to do with it. I'm not really sure. Or maybe it is an earlier fig and I just haven't treated it right in the past. So I'm not really sure. But at any rate, I went ahead and I picked some figs from it right here. And let's go ahead. We're going to take these over to the table, plate them up, and give them a shot. Give them a try and share that with you guys. Here, let's pick this one here. You can see it's a pretty productive fig. Got the flies kind of hovering around. You can see I've got 1, 2, 3 right there on one branch. You can see how productive that is. It's so heavy it's actually weighing down this branch. So let's go ahead and I'm going to pick that one. And we'll take that over and plate them up. All right. I'll leave these for another day or so. I'll let them all ripen up. I don't want to waste them all at once. This is such a special fig. I don't want to just pick them just to pick them. So, all right, we've got them on the scale. I wanted to get a good representation of it, so I picked a small one, a big one, and then the medium-sized ones. I got 5 figs weighing in at 166 grams, so we're about 33 grams per fig. So not a huge fig, again, not a real tiny fig, but in the middle of the range there. So let's go ahead. We're gonna take the figs and we're gonna plate them up. We're gonna take our picture and then we're gonna do our taste test. Okay, so I've taken a picture of the figs and just want to kind of focus in on here. Sometimes you don't get all this from the picture, but the thing I like about this fig is in the center there's a lot of like really deep rich jam in there, and then I really love the cracks on this fig. It's not a dark fig, it's not a green fig, it's kind of in between. It's got some, it's mainly green, but it's got some purpling on it, beautiful cracks on it. I love it when the figs crack up like that. And it's just a really nice pretty fig that is prolific and has a nice flavor. But let's go ahead. From what I remember last year, this was a standout fig, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the first one. Again, let's look at the jam in there. Okay, so it's very sweet and it has that berry flavor that I like. I wouldn't say, yeah, pretty close to a Black Madeira, but just different because it's a green fig. It's not really a black fig, but it tastes like a Black Madeira, or it's got that berry flavor that I like. So, you want to try one? Yes. Yeah. All right. Which one do you want? This one?
That one. Yeah,
this
all the
one.
cracks on it.
Yep. You can see the honey.
That's gonna be
Yeah, the honey is just oozing out of that.
good.
All right. Oh, let's try to keep the camera. Okay, what do you think?
Very, very jammy. A little bit of berry flavor.
A little bit.
Yep, it's got crunchy
Seed crunch.
seed
Good
crunch
seed
in
crunch.
it. Yep, I like the seed crunch in the figs.
Yep. How
Yeah.
would you compare it to yesterday's fig, the Which one was that?
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Oh, Sango Dolce.
Sango Dolce, yep.
How would you compare?
Sango Dolce had a lot more berry flavor.
Really?
Yeah.
See, I thought this one had more berry flavor. I guess that just shows how subjective
Yeah.
things are. A lot of times you're picking up on the honey flavor. I'm picking up on the berry flavor.
Yeah.
So
Definitely really
it's
sweet,
just subjective.
though.
You know, everybody's got different tastes. So
I want this one. This is very sweet, though, the Smith fig. I love it.
Zeppelin, you want one? Come here, buddy. You want a Smith fig?
Yum.
Okay. Okay, he says. Yummy? He likes the stems, so he's a good boy. Okay, so this is Smith fig.
Delicious.
Thanks for watching.